Today we will be testing Ehlers triangle moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers triangle moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 603 indicators, with 249 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is Ehlers triangle moving average, and you can see it here on screen. This is a cheat country indicator that is the creator of this particular indicator, and like most of his indicators, it does have this bar coloration. A lot of the times we will turn that off by popular request in the comments. I also don't tend to like the bar coloration too much either. But in this particular case, I'm actually going to go ahead and leave the bar coloration on. Just makes it a little bit easier because this moving average is a tad bit more complex than most other moving averages in the way that we are going to use it, or in the way that it gives signals. And so the setup on this is actually relatively easy, even though the indicator is a little complex. So what we are looking for are either a green shift in the candle, so a green change in the coloration of the candles for long trades, or a maroon red shift in the candles for a short trade opportunity. And so in this particular case, what it's actually doing is there are kind of a series of colors that it goes through. So the initial color that it switches to appears to always be maroon for the downside, and this dark green for the upside. And then you can see as it kind of travels along, it goes to a lighter green or turns to this kind of more standard red color right here. And so again, right now what we're looking for, let's just kind of make this easy. So we're looking for the maroon shift in the color for a short, and we're looking for this dark green shift in the color to go long. And we could probably even go in, you can see that maroon and the light. Let's see, we could probably go in and change that there. And let's see, change this one there. So that way there's no confusion. When we get that green, we're going to go long. When we get the maroon, we're going to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal right there. We pick that up, enter, and we get a decent little push to the upside there, which does get us up there and gets us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, second signal is a short signal. We get the switching color right here. Decent little push to the downside. Just barely comes out and hits our take profit. And so it's another winner there. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, a little rapid fire action going on here. These are the moments that most indicators, or most moving averages rather, tend to show their weakness. And so we get this long signal right here on this one that is closed out almost immediately on the next candle with a short here, which is closed out after just a couple more candles for a long right here. And then that one also gets closed out after a couple candles for a short right here. We've seen this many times with other moving averages, and again, this tends to be their weakness. So not sure where this one's going to go yet, haven't played it out far enough, but what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward, do the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so that does it there. Let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. There and there. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So we have 35 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 winning trades, and so unfortunately that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. So we are still on the hunt for that elusive unicorn moving average indicator that gives us a really, really good win rate. We've had a few that have done okay, but we have also had indicators that have done much better at basically the same thing, an entry into trades. And so we are eventually going to work our way through just about every moving average in existence, it feels like, but for now this one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.